Here is a structured summary of Chapter 4, translated into English and organized as a script outline for a 10-minute video. I have included the required citations. Video title, Memories of the Future. The Deep Space Trap Chapter for 0 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Introduction. The StarBlue and the Anomaly Visual. Establish the setting in the year 3894. Deep in the galaxy between specific vector coordinates. Show the massive space cruiser StarBlue, traveling at 250 times the speed of light towards the Siberian solar system. Narration: the StarBlue is a mobile city, capable of carrying over 10,000 passengers and 50,000 containers. The ship is commanded by Artur Kiter, a former member of the United Planets Confederation. The incident: the routine trip is interrupted when a hostess runs desperately through the corridors, claiming the ship is possessed. Her hand is severely injured, exposed to temperatures of 200 degrees below zero. Despite the ship's safety sensors, the glitch, Commander Kiter arrives at the bridge. The radars, long distance, plasma, approach stop matching up. The navigator reveals a terrifying theory: they are entering deep space, a distortion where nothingness exists. 2 o'clock to 3:30. Into the void and the monster's action, Kiter orders an emergency course. Change to coordinate CD15, but even after increasing speed, the readings remain chaotic. The phenomenon: the ship is shaken by turbulence. The central computer, Miriam, reports that they are in a point of the universe where time and space do not respond to normal parameters. They are stranded. The attack: suddenly, explosions rock the ship. In the West Lounge, security forces fight bizarre creatures hybrids between spiders and elks that appear out of nowhere. Shortly after, giant ants attack the southern sector. The crew speculates these might be spirits of the dead or manifestations of the distorted space. 3:30 to 5:30. The alien rescue and bizarre biology: the signal. Amidst the chaos, the sensors detect a single ship nearby. It is a vessel from the planet Argoria, destroyed by the deep space phenomenon. The survivors: Kiter rescues the ship using a tractor beam. Inside, they find humanoids in hibernation. Only the females survived. A manufacturing defect in the hibernation cylinders caused the freezing death of all males. Subplot: Kiter, depressed by the situation, visits the infirmary and bonds with Dr. Mary Weave. They discuss classic physical intimacy versus the modern virtual methods, as genetic engineering had eliminated physical reproduction centuries ago. Alien reproduction: the Argorian females need to reproduce to save their species. They require a fusion process with human males. Dr. Weave oversees an experiment where an alien female and a human male merge into a ball of energy, splitting into clones half human, half alien. 5:30 to 7:30. The source of deep space: the climax, the discovery. The logist locates the exact point generating the deep space distortion. The mission: Kiter and the logist teleport to the surface of a mysterious planet. They find a ghost city. The villain: entering an observatory, they encounter a robot. The robot reveals it created deep space to dominate the universe and destroyed the planet's original inhabitants because they wouldn't accept it. The escape: the robot shoots the logist with a laser. Just as they beam back to the ship, the logist detonates an explosive they planted. Result: the explosion destroys the machine. The deep space distortion vanishes, and the stars and planets reappear on the ship's navigation panels. 7:30 to 9 o'clock. Resolution and repopulation: the Queen. Back in the infirmary, the alien queen chooses Commander Kiter for the mating ritual. She communicates telepathically. The sacrifice: Kiter agrees to the fusion to help the species. They merge into energy spheres, creating new offspring. Departure: the aliens, along with their new hybrid children and some human men who chose to stay, disembark to colonize the planet that was once the source of the trap. 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Conclusion final scene. The StarBlue resumes its journey. Kiter and Doctor. We are finally alone. Dialogue. The Doctor asks if Kiter is okay. He playfully responds that now she is the one he wants to be with. Ending. Kiter takes off her lab coat, and they decide to reinvent the bed and engage in the classic method of intimacy they discussed earlier.